Hey, welcome back to the Money Mastery series. I'm going to show you today how to receive money within your Cash App account. All that you have to do is know your CashTag ID, and you can do that by clicking on the top right portion here. So this pops up your profile, and you can see here right underneath your name, that is your CashTag ID. So you can give that to anybody to send you money from your Cash App account. And you can also do this. You can share that with somebody. So if you click on the top right, you see that arrow. You'll be able to send this off as a message. You can see there, pay a mind on Cash App. You can do that. You can also see your code by seeing that QR code there. You can see your QR code, your full name, your CashTag ID, and the QR code. But this is how you see your code, so somebody can scan this and pay you into your Cash App account. Another way is you can also request down here money from somebody. So if you know their name, hashtag, phone, or email, this is also the same way for them to send you money as if they know your phone number or email. But in this case, I can request money from somebody. So I will request $84,563. Click request. And so when somebody sends you money, you will see the plus and the dollar amount right there. So I will click on that, and you can see here $40 here. So I received it. You will see that received icon right below the dollar amount and the date and time that they sent this to you. All right, so that is how you receive money within your Cash App account. Make sure to like, subscribe,